So today we're not playing Risk of Rain 2 anymore. We took a time machine and now we're playing Risk of Rain 1. For those of you who don't know, yes, Risk of Rain 2 is actually a sequel to another game called Risk of Rain 1. Surprising, I know. The 2 had me going for a second. I didn't know there was a 1. This version, this first Risk of Rain, was actually in 2D, which means although the characters might be the same, there are a couple characters you won't see in the first one that you will see in the second one. You know, mainly Artificer, Captain, Rex. And even though some survivors might have been in Risk of Rain 1 that are also in Risk of Rain 2, they're usually going to play a lot differently because, you know, we're working with a 2D plane, not a 3D plane anymore. There's a bunch of new items you probably haven't seen, or I guess old items. Yeah, old items. If you only play Risk of Rain 2, these will be new items to you, but if you played Risk of Rain 1, they'll be old items to you that aren't in Risk of Rain 2. Yeah. And much like the survivor dilemma, whereas some items are in Risk of Rain 2 that are in Risk of Rain 1, they are balanced pretty differently. For example, Infusion in Risk of Rain 1 is considered like the most OP item. You can stack that sucker all the way to the max health in the game, even if you only have one stack, whereas in Risk of Rain 2, you can only get max 100 HP per one infusion. Risk of Rain 1, you ride that sucker until you are literally at the max HP allowed. Crazy stuff. So anyway, there's the intro. There we go. Now, when I was loading into this game, I really had no faith. I've been told before that Risk of Rain 1 is super hard. Like super duper uber hard compared to Risk of Rain 2. You plan on beating Providence or whatever his name is? I mean, I can plan on it all I want. Is it going to happen? Probably not, because this game is hard as shit. I've only played a couple games, but I haven't made it past stage 3. I'd only played the game one time before actually loading up the stream, just to, you know, make sure everything works. And I definitely believe that to be true. Although I was still technically new to the game, I had some experience because I played Risk of Rain 2, and I was getting stomped. To be fair, the control scheme in Risk of Rain 1 is kind of garbage. Sorry, Hopeoo, Bopu, Goku, but it's true. Keyboard. Actually, let's hop into a game. I have to bitch out the game for this, because when I found out about this, it drove me insane. So I have to at least bitch about this for one time. Let me vent just this a little bit. These controls, ZXZV space, and then you're using the arrow keys to move. I didn't even know they made keyboards with arrow keys anymore. I haven't used arrow keys in a decade. So like a true Chad gamer, I'm not using the arrow keys. I'm using a controller now. I have to use a controller for a PC game, which, by the way, is one of the things that I usually bitch out Dark Souls for. Fuck Dark Souls for making me use a controller. But there we go. There's my gripe out of the way. Oh. Now we can get into the rest of it. But oh my god. Also, for some reason, I thought that, you know, Commando would be better than he was in Risk of Rain 2. I thought, oh, 2D Commando, gotta be good. But I quickly realized the only thing he was good at was giving me carpal tunnel syndrome. Because, for whatever reason, you can't just hold down the fire button in this game. You gotta tap it. You gotta tap it. My hands were hurting after the stream. Ooh. So anyways, I had zero faith in the game. Also, I was playing on the highest difficulty. I was having trouble dealing with how fast the game scaled, mainly because I just couldn't find the teleporter most of the time. You can get away with not going slow. See, the problem is I once spent 7 minutes in a stage on this one. We're gonna play accurate like you wanted me to. I once spent 7 minutes in a stage, but that was just because I was trying to find the teleporter. It wasn't because I was farming or anything. It was because I literally could not find the teleporter. I actually quit out of that game because I was like, there's no way I win this. I can't find the teleporter. Tip, unlock Huntress, win the game. Roger that. How do I unlock Huntress? Herein began the cascade of fails. The symphony of sadness. Oh, try tip dagger. I hope they're as busted in this game as they are in the other one. I don't think so, though. I've also noticed something about Risk of Rain. You can open up all of these chests even though you start the teleporter event early. So even though I opened up the teleporter, I can still open up all these chests. Oh my god. Oh my god. I should have just dipped. I was getting really greedy there. Survivor request, 3,000. Let's play Enforcer after this. Easy clap. Right on time. Dead. I'm half dead. I'm literally blocking all damage from the front. I'm at the very edge of a platform, and I'm still almost dead. I don't understand. Oh! 9 health, 9 health, 9 health, 9 health. Are you shitting me? Wait, where did my healing drone go? Oh, we lost. All right, unless we can get to the juice, I think we lost. Oh my god, the juice is being okay, we didn't make it to the juice. Are things having a hard time dying? Yeah. You know, the shock elites are still owning me by just being in my area. But that's just... health? A health bar is just numbers. A health bar is just numbers. What we're really gaining here is knowledge. Power. PP. Energy. I just need to be out of fuck. And then, when I had a semi-decent run, I suddenly saw Satan. Fungus o'clock. Never mind. I stood still for 2 seconds. Oh! Oh! What the fuck is this? Alright, we're just gonna ignore the fact that Satan is literally down there, and we're gonna scale past him. Glass is on the right side of the map. No. Jesus. Oh wait, this is my last... oh, this is my final form. Press A. Press A. So the next run, I went out of my way. I did a little bit better than I usually did. And I went out of my way to get Miner. No, not that Miner. Oh my god, we have the Miner now too? Oh. What, you couldn't tell? Oh, what the fuck is that? That's a What the fuck is Torterra doing in there? Kill Podge? How do I kill Podge? Alright, I gotta wait for my shields. Lava Turtle. He's blocking my exit. How am I gonna kill him? Oh, hell no. Oh, hell no. What the fuck is this? I had also unlocked Glass at the same time, so because of this, I went into the next game playing Miner, a pretty good character. I actually had played his Risk of Rain 2 variant before I played Risk of Rain 1. And I had the Glass artifact, which gives you, I think, 5 times damage, but also 10% of your HP. You'll see why this is not a problem later on. But here's a hint. It has to do with iframes and HP scaling. Alright, we're doing it again, but this time, guess what? Guess what? Ooh, new characters to try out. Ooh. Win this and I give 5 subs. That's literally not good. Alright, I guess I shouldn't have put Glass on if I wanted to win, eh? Oh, we're fast. Oh.
that the number plate for cars,
I didn't know that.
bikes and snowmobiles in the northern state of Nunavut is the shape of a polar bear?
I didn't know that. Now, for those of you who haven't played Risk of Rain 1, the Thqwib is basically the Prayon of Risk of Rain 1. Massive damage plus AoE equals almost insta-killing every boss in the game, especially since I had Glass on. And since it's only a 2D game, it's a lot harder for me to miss the Prayon shot in this game. Alright, time to one-shot whatever boss this is. Magworm? No boss? Oh, here we go, here we go. Hey, boss. Thank you. Oh, we have a shield too. Oh god, it just gets better every time. Yeah, that doesn't increase. Yeah, so this item is actually like Glass is crazy in Risk of Rain 1. Like absolutely busted. Like Glass in Risk of Rain 2 isn't that great. Like it's still nice to have that bonus damage, but you feel it. Like you actually feel it. This one you're like Glass, oh mega more damage. For swapping things is not why. Survive the teleporter event without falling below 50% health. Goated. Didn't even take damage. Ah. Take backup mag for NG unlock. Does it work? Is that how that works? What button did I press? Oh, it's... Wait, what? It's my trigger button. Why is it my trigger button? That doesn't make sense. That doesn't make any sense. How the did you make it your trigger? I didn't. Look at my controls. Swap item is Y. But for some reason when I press trigger on my button, like on my thing, it just does that. Imagine having a controller. I know, right? I was thinking about this the other day because people would say that they were like, when I was complaining about Dark Souls, they were like, imagine playing Dark Souls without a controller. I was like, these are probably the same people that go on PC Master Race and talk about how much better a PC is than a console, but they're still walking around with console controllers. Cringe. Actual double agents.
Said to be the longest national highway in the world. About half the planet is our forests. There are about 183 species.
We got the fusion.
Timber is among the main exports of the country.
We got the fusion.
Canada is the
I have all this money and nowhere to spend it. Sunken Tomes? This is the farthest I've made it, I think. I don't think I've been here before. What the fuck is this? What? No, please don't tell me there's platforming elements on this. No, I'm gonna hang myself. No. Wait, command? This one's the command? No shot. There's no shot this one. Man. Wait, is there no other enemy spawning? Did I just kill the boss and now the game's over? Whee! Okay, nothing is spawning. Holy shit, never mind. Everything spawned. What the fuck is this? Alright, my cute little gamers, tell me where the f I need to go. There's something special on this map I need to be aware about, or can we just game? Disposable missile launcher on Glass? Oh god, that would be goated. If I didn't already have the best equipment in the game, that would be goated. I'm looking for it. Doink. 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 Best platformer EU, don't mind me. Okay. Where am I? Oh, okay. Oh, no, 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 no. What is that? What is that? What is that? Ceremonial daggers. Fuck, bro. Fuck. Oh, that's game. Oh, that's game. Oh, that's game set match. So after rolling through a couple stages, because the Thqwib plus Glass is broken, I finally grabbed the ceremonial daggers. Ceremonial daggers, for those of you who don't know, is a legendary item which automatically spawns daggers every time you kill an enemy. These daggers then seek out another enemy and should hopefully also kill that enemy, which spawns more daggers. So essentially you're chain killing the map once you get enough daggers. Needless to say, we were on a god run. But because I am pretty new to Risk of Rain 1 and haven't had a lot of things unlocked, we were actually still focused on unlocking things, not just winning the game.
Oh, I played enough games of Risk of Rain to know this. That game set match. Alright, game plays itself. Go unlock an item in the bottom right. Okay. We're going to the bottom right. We're unlocking items. Let's go! Repair drone. Bottom right. Find a bloated survivor. What the f does that mean? That's gross. That's disgusting. Okay, what is this item? Does that give me big pee-pee now? Yep, leg. A stinky foot. What if I don't want a stinky foot? When at low health, drop a poison mine. Ooh, imagine being at low health. Couldn't be me. Ooh. Alright, show me the boss. Show me your boss. Oh wait, I forgot there's gift subs on the line. I have to win this. I can't throw. Ugh. Poggies. Oh god, this actually looks like a platformer. Oh, 50% HP. Hell yeah. I don't care about my health. Offer for great rewards. What would I get? What did I get? That's bullshit. I didn't get shit. What? You got 50 gold? That's cap. There's no shot they think 50 gold is worth. Wait a minute, wait a minute, wait a minute. Ooh, I know a secret. I know a secret. I know a secret. Oh, fuck. I fucked it up. Never mind. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Okay. Nope. Alright. Oh, you still take damage. 2 crowbars. 2 crowbars. That's goated. Think about it. I got glass. I've got ceremonial daggers. Literally wipe the map with 2 crowbars. It requires epic skills to platform down there. Okay, so I just don't do it then. That's not me then. Ooh, monster teeth. What's up here? Nothing. Sage. I am literally the best gamer in all of the gamerdom. Oh my god, it's looking like a Risk of Rain 2 run. How many legendaries is that? 1? Oh, that's only 2. We need at least 3 more before it looks like a good run. Oh, what is this? A wiener. Infected. Wait, toxic centipede, I'm infected. I don't want a toxic wiener. Oh, money. There should be a gold chest there. Wait, a gold chest where? Gold chest where? Oh, what the fuck is this? This game is baiting me and I don't like it. No shot. No shot. Whoops. Well, okay. On our way back. Those aren't chimeras. These actually have souls. Imagine these enemies having souls. Hey. Oh, Frost Relic Bog. Does the last stage have a legendary chest too? I'm trying to find this one. What did you guys say it was? I honestly, I can't pay attention to the game or you guys. I'm too small brain to even pay attention to one thing. Up to the left? Oh, Craigasm. Oh. What is this? Oh, ukulele. Oh, Craigasm. Oh, here it is. Here it is. Here's the big boy. I can't reach. Actually. Hold on. Hold on. Oh, you forgot to mention that I'm goated. I'm making the Pog U face right here, right now. I'm poor. Now you just need 4K. Me poor. Wait, is this the last stage? Okay, while we're sitting here debating on philosophical facts and figures and whatnot, is this... Can you skip Providence like Mithrix? Can you keep looping, or is it like you have to beat Mithrix or have to beat Providence? And he's just the end. You can loop after the TP. Okay. Toxic Beast. Literally one shot. Get out of my face. Glass is so much more busted in Risk of Rain 1. Very true. I'm bordering on 400 health. Actually, no, bordering on 500 health. For no reason. AFK gameplay Pog. This is the reason we play Risk of Rain, so that we could eventually get to the point where we don't have to play Risk of Rain. I think with my unstable Tesla coil, I could literally not do anything and still like kill things. Wait, I didn't activate the teleporter, did I? Oh no, shit, I accidentally did. Fuck. I thought this stream wasn't gonna last until 4 AM. Well, that was before I started getting on God runs, okay? It's just it's the heart of the cards. You gotta believe in them. Uh-oh, you might not get 4K? Yeah, I don't think I will. Yeah, I'm not going to. We have 3 piggy banks. We have 3 gold over time. Ooh, we could technically wait the entire time. You know, let's see here. We need 371. We need like 400. There's probably other enemies. Yeah, like 5 minutes. Okay, let's go see if we can find other enemies real quick. Mithrix right now. Oh ho, are you approaching me? Well, actually it's Providence, because we're in the first game, and Providence is the brother of Mithrix. Wait. Oh wait, it just said something. It was X or Y. There was an option there. I don't know what I just did. Oh, fuck me, dude. I didn't know there was an option. Oh. Oh my god. Hopeoo, tell me that before I click buttons. Oh, fuck. Why is the default to loop? The default should be Okay, why is it the default in Risk of Rain 2 is to loop? But the default in Risk of Rain 2 is to beat Mithrix, but the default in Risk of Rain 1 is to loop. I've fallen prey to this so many times. Wait, if I get enough, razor wires or whatever the hell these are called, can I take up the whole map? Oh my god, this is gonna be a pain in the ass. All right, fuck it. Oh, the next TP will have a choice to go to the last area. Oh my god, saved by the bell. Thank you for telling me that. Oh, 57 leaf clover! Yes, sir! Yes, sir! Yes, sir! Oh my god, barbed wire! Oh, barbed wire? Oh, okay. Well, one enemy time. Oh, one enemy. Wait, is there an item stats mod? Is there like an item stats mod for Risk of Rain 1? If so, that would be goated. Imagine being a... Oh, another infusion? Oh god, it's gamer time. Alright, I'm gonna turn up the audio because that's what people told me to do. So we're going to 30%. That's extremely loud, by the way. 30%? I honestly might have to turn it down. We're gonna test it out. Oh, I don't hear anything yet. Oh, here we go. Alright, that's good. That sounds good. I don't want to get ear raped. Okay, where is the... Hold on, boys. Remember Handy. Okay, where's Handy? The fuck is this? Survive 40 minutes? Holy shit, it's 40 minutes. Oh my god, that was a burp. That was a man's burp, by the way. Go down and to the left, Handy's there. Oh, this is Handy? Hog you. Find the robot janitor. Fuck yeah. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You've heard of Mithrix 40 minutes. Get ready for Providence 40 minutes. Are you supposed to, like, what time are you supposed to get to the next stages? I don't remember. Or actually, when I say I don't remember, I don't know. Use items have a chance to double effect. I just have... Why do I have an embryo? Why is there an embryo in my inventory? Squeeze me? Huh? Open gold chest unlocks an item. Okay, let's find the gold chest then. We can get chef this run too. We could. Oh, there it is. There it is. There it is. Oh, we got the wiener. We got the fucking salami wiener. Oh, Craigasm. Salami wiener. Obtain 30 items in one playthrough. What is this? What? Black text. Oh, no. Oh, wait. Fuck yeah. 3 infusions? 18 ukuleles? A 1000 HP glass Kek W. Very Kek W. I've got iframes, by the way. Oh. ATG 2 electric boogaloo. Deal 5,000 damage in one shot. Ha, you know. Ooh, just staying goated. Just staying goated my whole life. When I came out the womb, the doctors had to get the hooves off me because I was goated from the start. Now we watch him die at Providence. Imagine thinking that Providence is even going to be able to lift a single testicle against me. Let's go get our free legendary. I'm gonna poison Mithrix. I'm gonna send missiles at him. I'm gonna shoot whips at him. I don't know what the a whip is, but it's like some Rick and Morty shit. Oh, legendary, please. Chance to fear enemies when attacked. Okay, that's kind of garbage. I don't want my enemies to be afraid of me. I want them to be dead. Oh my god, another infusion? What is this? Oh! We don't take damage. Oh my god, I got more salami wiener. Oh my god, how many? 5 infusions? I get 5 health every time I kill something now. Jump down and go to the left for a secret? I feel like the secret is me dying. Oh, Bitterroot maximum health increased by 8%. Are you shitting my britches? Because I am. Do it, please. It's real. Okay, what's the secret? What's the secret, boys? Tell me. Tell me. Jump off the cliff and go left. Oh my god, we vibing. This is you guys right now listening to, listening to the track. Can't loop anymore? Alright, shame, no chest. Alright, so let's see what these things do. What's this do? Heal? Okay, so this just shoots and this heals. Still one chance to, actually. Yeah, well. Shot has 5-minute CD. Are they super strong? Is it like really goated? Alright, fuck it. We're going balls deep. Let's go. Alright, let's learn his moveset. Fuck him with the Thqwibs. Alright, shot him with it. Huh. Okay, Mithrix be doing more damage than I thought he would. And not taking damage. Fuck is this? What the fuck? It's Devourer of Worlds! This music be like wah wah wah. True. Wah wah wah. I thought Coalescence was going to be the entire thing. This is battle music. This is music you go to war with. When World War III breaks out, this is the music your children are going to be playing. If any of you were to procreate. Oh, look, a nano chest. Oh, dynamite. Alright, Providence looks like he's getting diffed hard. $180 health. Beat the game. You know. Yeah, you know. Oh, you know, I'm just goated with it. You know, let's say. Ooh, yeah. Oh, 5 gifted subs, right? You're right. That was the deal. About time, XD, he says. About time. Wait for nano chest? Should I wait for nano chest just to make sure that I get chef? Hmm? One more. All right, one more. All right, two more. Well, I said 2 more last time, so it's only 1 more. Only 1 more. All right, 1 more. All right, 1 more. Crying, air gambling, and drugs is what I come to the stream for. There we go. We had drugs, too. That's the funny part. We actually had drugs at one point. But we dropped them. Fuck me. Hey, this is new. See that? We didn't get the snow globe. If you get fruit, I will sub. Oh god, you're never gonna be subbed. I could be sleeping right now, but I've been watching so long my dreams could just be this. These are your nightmares. Ooh. Oh my god, new items. Okay, we're getting new items. That's how we know. It's the next one. Oh my fucking god. Holy shit, the yesers. Congratulations. Oh my god. Someone take a goddamn picture. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Here's a little lesson in trickery. This is going down in